today we are back with our same chapter of class +2, that is matrices. In the previous video we have already discussed what is matrices and how we have solved some questions of the matrices exercise. First exercise we have done in the previous video. So continuing that same chapter matrices, in this video we will learn how to add, subtract and multiply matrices. As I have already told that matrices is the regular arrangement of number of rows and columns. So now, by taking an example, let us take this example of 2, 20, 14, 3, 8, 12, 7, 2, 2. So this is a matrix. So these are the rows. These are the rows. Rows are the horizontal lines. In the previous video, we have already discussed the number of which are the rows and which are the columns. These horizontal numbers are the rows, and these vertical are the columns. Numbers are the columns. Okay, so now we will first of all start how to add matrices. For example, let us take an example of this one. If A is given to be 3 minus 1, 2, 4 and again 1. Okay, and another matrix, let us suppose B, which is given to be 4, 2 and 8, 3, 2 and 1. Now we have to add these two matrices, that is A plus B. Just in the addition, just add this is A11, this is A12, this is A13. A11 is added to A11, this is A11 and this is B11. We have taken an assumption, this is A11 and this is B11. This is A12 plus B12 and this is A13 plus B13. Means first element is added to the first element of another matrix. Second element of first matrix is added to the second element of the second matrix, and third element is again added to the third element of the second matrices. And this same procedure follows. This is A21. A21 is added to B21. This B21. A22 is added to B22. A23 is added to B23. So another matrix became by adding 3 plus 4. So A plus B will become 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 1 plus 2, plus minus, so this will be 1, so here it will be 1 plus 8 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the matrix A plus B whose elements are 7, 1, 9, 5, 6 and 2. Addition and subtraction of matrices is so easy. You can easily we'll start with the subtraction. How to subtract two matrices? The procedure is same. If A matrix is given to be same, I am taking an example. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 2, and B matrix is given to be 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 3, and 1. Okay, these two matrices are given, and you have to now we have to subtract the matrix. The procedure is same as the addition. First element of first matrix is subtracted to the second element. If A minus B is given, then first element of first matrix is A and second matrix is B, and you have to subtract A 1 minus 0. If you have given B minus A, then first matrix is B, and you have to subtract 0 minus 1. Not 1 minus 0, you have to do 0 minus 1. Okay, if we start A minus B, first element is subtracted to first element. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus of minus 1, that is 3 plus 1, which is 4, minus 1 minus 2, that is minus minus is plus, which is minus of 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, this is 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, if you the matrix you have to find is B minus A, then the numbers are reversed, that is 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1 minus 3 is given to be minus 4, minus 2 minus of minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So these are the difference. This is A minus B and this is B minus A. And you have to now in the multiplication of matrix. Next is multiplication. How to multiply matrix? In the matrix. Again, suppose A matrix is given to be 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 4, and B matrix is given to be 3. These two matrices are given, and now we have to multiply. In the multiplication, first row is first of all multiplied with this column. Means A multiplied by B, A multiplied by B is first of all multiplied. 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3. So by adding these questions in the multiplication of the matrix, you have to basically in the multiplication first rows are multiplied by the multiplication the rows are multiplied by the columns, and by writing addition in between. By writing addition in between, rows are multiplied by the first row is multiplied by the column by adding. Okay. Now again this first 3 zeros are 0, 2 plus 2 ones are 2, 1 into 1, 1. Again, first row is multiplied with the third column. 3 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 multiplied by 0, 0, and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Again, now in the second row is multiplied with the first column. 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by the again second row is multiplied by the second column. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 3 multiplied by 1 3 plus 4 multiplied by 4 1 is 4. Again this row is multiplied with the third column. 4 multiplied by 0 0 plus 3 multiplied by 0 0 plus 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Again this third column is multiplied by these matrices. First of all 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 2 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Again 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 2 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So the matrix becomes, I am writing here, A multiplied by B will become, matrix will become 3 multiplied by 1 3 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 multiplied by 3, 4 ones are 4 plus 6 plus 4 3s are 12, 2 ones are 2 plus 4 plus 3. Here it is 0, 2, 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 4 7 and 2 plus 1 3. 1, 4 and 1. By dividing these three equations, 4 plus 3 7 plus 10, 3, 1, 12 plus 6 18 plus 4 22, 7, 4, 7 9, 3, 1. So this is the matrix A multiplied by B. So in the multiplication you have to, now we will start with some questions. As the question is written on the board that two matrices are given in the question, A matrix and B matrix, and we have to find this relation. 2A minus B means first of all we have to multiply 2 with matrix A. 2 multiplied by matrix A is given to me 1 2 3 and 2 3 1. First of all multiply 2 with all the elements of the matrix A, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 2s So now we will move with the on the next. In this question, a relation is given and we have to find the values of x and y. First of all, we have to solve the relation. We have to solve the left hand side of the equation. In the left hand side, this 2 is multiplied with this matrix. Something there, this matrix is A. So let us know that this is B matrix and this is C matrix. First of all, we have to multiply. That is, this matrix will become 2x, 5 to the 10, 7 to the 40, and this 2 is multiplied with this whole equation I am solving here. 2 multiplied by y minus 3, that is 2y minus 6. We have to multiply this with the whole equation. Okay, 2y minus 6, and we have to add already this matrix as it is. First of all, we have to add these two matrices and then equate on this third matrix. Equate this matrix to the third matrix. First of all, we have to add 2x plus 3, 10 minus 10 plus minus that is 6, 14 plus 1, 15, 2y minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, this is here, 2y minus 6 plus 2, 2y as it is, plus minus 4, sine 6 minus 4. We have to equate with the third matrix which is given to be first element with the first element of the another matrix, and this 6 is equating to this one, and this fourth element to the fourth element. 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. It will be 4x will be 2. X will be 2. And 2y minus 4 is equals to 14. This we have to equate this to this. 2y 14 plus 4, that is 18. Y is equals to 9. So which is given in the relation, we have to solve the relation and find the values of x and y. If this question is given, this relation is given in the question, that is x plus y is given to be this matrix. This is not element y. You have to find the values of x and y, and both side relations are given. X minus y relation is given to be this matrix, and x plus y relation is given to be this matrix. And how to solve this type of question? Please note down. First of all, add both sides of matrices. X plus y plus x minus y. Okay, this is the left hand side of both equations, both matrices, and this is the 7, 0, 2 and 5. We have to add this matrix to this matrix, and left hand side of both relations should also be added. 3, 0, 0, 3. This will become x plus y plus x minus y. First element should be added to first element. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. And this x, this plus y and minus y should be cancelled, and this will be 2x, which is given to be 10, 0, 2 and 8. So this 2 is multiplied with this x. So by going this 2 on the another side of the equation, it will become 1 by 2 of the matrix given. So when we have to give 25 minus 3003. This equation will be x plus y minus x plus y. This minus minus will become plus.